The key fob for the 2013-2018 Hyundai Santa Fe uses a CR2032 battery. When the fob stops working, battery replacement is usually the solution. You'll need a new CR2032 lithium coin cell battery. Make sure the positive side faces up when installing. To open the fob, use a plastic pry tool or small flathead screwdriver. Start prying at the keyring end. Pry gently along the seam, being careful not to damage the internal circuitry or plastic latches. Once open, remove the old battery and replace it with the new CR2032, ensuring correct orientation. Snap the case back together securely. Replacement kits cost $5 to $15 online. Avoid overprying to prevent PCB damage. If your remote doesn't work after replacing the battery, it likely needs reprogramming. Try cycling the ignition by inserting the key, turning it to the on position without starting the engine, and pressing the fob buttons. If cycling the ignition doesn't work, visit a dealer for reprogramming, which takes 10 to 15 minutes using an OBD2 tool. Some fobs have a valet switch that needs to be toggled. According to a 2024 Consumer Reports study, 70% of Hyundai owners successfully replaced their fob batteries themselves, but 10% needed professional reprogramming, costing $75 to $150. If prying damages the antenna, a full fob replacement may be necessary, costing around $200.